is the water body near the assembly building. This is the famous carved roof of assembly building. You can see those punctures. It gives a feeling of freedom and freeness, a transparency. This is the famous entrance gate painting which was designed by Le Corbusier himself. The upper half represents solar phenomena like equinox, solstice, and the lower half describes basic Indian phenomena in a village or in Indian culture, like some melas or some village scenes, organic things. A goat is there, an elephant is there, an ox is there, a human figure is there, organic elements are there, and that upper half has those equinox and solar eclipse, solstices. I would say it's an extraordinary work because no other person than Corbusier designed all these things. We don't know what was the feeling behind all these things, but it has come out as an extraordinary work. It has been a great work, and you can only think about this work, you can only imagine that somebody could design all these things. As a designer, as an ordinary person, we cannot even think about doing all such things. People have said that this has been the greatest work of Le Corbusier. And the water is still, it gives almost a mirror image of this building, and by that time it looks very beautiful. You can have a feeling of that here, but today because there is little wind, so water is not still, so I am unable to get a clear picture, a clear mirror image, but you can see it is visible, those pillars, those brachysoleal columns, and the terrace is not visible, actually not clearly visible. Late Prime Minister Mr. Nehru, he gave a free hand to design this city, and especially to design this complex. Nehru described it should be a free city, it should be a free place, it should represent the new India. And Le Corbusier didn't fail him. Since it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so it is well preserved, it is well maintained now. I'm very happy to see that all these original features are preserved, these are nicely maintained by the local administration. That's the main entrance of assembly building. Those are Shivalik Hills in the backdrop. It's a scenic place, a very beautiful place. This whole complex is nestled in a vast and huge forest, so it adds beauty. Usually, this place has a lot of people, but since today is a public holiday here, so there are only few persons. Only 2-3 tourists are here, including me. You can see the Secretariat building in the backdrop. Though it's not clearly visible from here, but it's just behind this building. So there it is. There you can see the Secretariat building. You can have a clear picture of the Secretariat building from here. It is also part of this Capitol complex. So basically you have 4 important buildings or monuments, I would say. The Secretariat building in front of you, this assembly building of Punjab and Haryana, the High Court building and the Open Hand Museum monument, and that shadow of tower. Just look at the beauty of this building. These were called as Bryce Soleil in Le Corbusier's language, or the sun cutters. Just look at those rich architectural details. This is the famous terrace from a different angle. Many people say it is just like a soup in Indian villages, which is used to extract dust and other things from the wheats or from the rice. So this feature resembles Indian soup. These are those vertical fins of the Bryce Soleil. You can see the mirror image in the water, but as I told you earlier that water is not still today. There is little wind, so we are unable to get a clear mirror image of the building. But when the water is still, you can have a clear mirror image in these water bodies. It is blurred actually, but you can have a glimpse of it. Just look at this beautiful forest.